Hello everyone, this is Bruce from Lydite. Today, let me introduce Neon 6 Lights Fancy Tester 1000 to 10,000 volts to you. It is easy to check voltage on any metal wire, poly wire, rope, and poly tape or fancy Energizer. The human-sized shell design is comfortable to use. Waterproof design can be used even in rainy days. Neon lights indicate voltage levels from 1000 to 10,000 volts. Blinking lights show the voltage level. Durable ABS case withstand cold weather. Thanks for watching. Any problem, please feel free to contact us.